How to join a community in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can join a particular community in Roblox. So the first step simply involves opening up the Roblox application or launching it by clicking onto the app icon, and once your Roblox application successfully launches, you will need to click onto this more option at the bottom right, and once you will do this, you will see an interface like this, and then in this particular interface simply click onto this communities option and it will open the communities page. Now from here, if you want to or wish to create a new community, you can simply click onto this create community button, or if you want to join a community, you can see from here. So you can either search for the same by using the search button, or you also have your connections community. So all of the communities that your connections are a part of will appear here, or you can also experience studios and buildings as well. So let's say I am a go with this particular community, the garden game. So let me simply click onto this and it will open all of the details of this particular community, like the members or the bio, events and store as well. So in order to join, simply click onto this join community button and you have been successfully joined in this community. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.